Welcome back to SmartLink Basics, your go-to source for mastering Excel functions and boosting your productivity.
In today's tutorial, we're going to explore the exact function in Excel. The exact function compares two text strings and returns true if they are exactly the same and false if they are not. This function is case-sensitive, meaning that text and text are considered different. The exact function is particularly useful for data validation, quality control, and situations where precise matching is crucial. Let's dive in. Here's what each part of the exact function means. Text 1, the first text string or cell reference that you want to compare. Text 2, the second text string or cell reference that you want to compare against the first. Let's start by setting up our data. Imagine you have a list of product codes in one column, and you want to ensure that these codes match exactly with another list of product codes in a different column. To compare two text strings to see if they are identical, simply enter the formula displayed at the bottom of the screen in cell C1. Here's an explanation. Text 1, A1, refers to the cell containing the first product code. Text 2, B1, refers to the cell containing the second product code. Press Enter, and Excel will return true if the text in cells A1 and B1 are exactly the same, or false if they are not. Now, drag the fill handle from cell C1 down to cell C10 to apply the exact function to the rest of the cells in columns A and B. The exact function is incredibly versatile and can be used in various scenarios. Data validation. Ensure that data entries are correct by comparing expected values against actual values. Case-sensitive matching. Use exact to perform case-sensitive matches, useful in systems that distinguish between uppercase and lowercase entries. Quality control. Compare lists of data to identify discrepancies, such as mismatched product codes or incorrect data entries.
We hope this tutorial helps you master Excel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, SmartLink Basics, for more tutorials and tips.